Hello everyone, my name is Ghassani. I'm currently a second-year PhD student in the field of molecular microbiology at Université de Franche-Comté in Besançon, and more precisely in bacteriology group. My PhD project is about studying the activity of diverse antimicrobial peptides, and more precisely I focus on one antimicrobial peptide that is called murépavadine on Pseudomonas aeruginosa cystic fibrosis clinical strains. As we all might know, Pseudomonas aeruginosa is an opportunistic pathogen that colonizes cystic fibrosis patients. And unfortunately, with the progression of the disease, the strains become more and more resistant to antibiotics. Therefore, there is always a need to find out new treatments and new antibiotics against Pseudomonas aeruginosa for cystic fibrosis patients. Murépavadine is an antimicrobial peptide that was developed not a very long time ago by a Swiss company specific against Pseudomonas aeruginosa. It was also developed for aerosolization treatments for cystic fibrosis patients. In addition to that, murépavadine is still in phase 3 clinical trials. That means that it is still not commercially used or available. So starting from a very large collection of cystic fibrosis clinical strains that we have in the lab and were previously isolated from different cystic fibrosis patients from 12 different centers in France, I'm very much interested in studying the activity of murépavadine on that large collection of cystic fibrosis clinical strains. In addition to that, I aim at characterizing the resistance mechanisms in Pseudomonas aeruginosa against murépavadine. Finally, I'm interested as well as in studying the induced response in Pseudomonas aeruginosa once they are exposed to murépavadine. This project is able to carry on thanks to funding from VLM.